Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day, another Tori. Na palava that small perika for 6 years. Dan jaka no even perika. Dan jaka for 6 years. Where some man where they call it say Dagobert. Nwafo. If you kwarai for that side for Yaoundé. If you get problem, in a day picking a papa for instance some bar. What are they be arguing with you? Or they be arguing a palava ndambao, or they be arguing a palava neighborship for bao. On a mimbo, we don't make up for way, you don't go for way, you did for way, you don't turn their head. Now they think that way, I don't know, countryman, countrywoman. Now you don't go for us, go take nap. You enter my house, if you want Kora all picking for day, you see now only that one where they call it Marthys, where we did for palo, he cut the hand, he chook neck, he Kora Marthys. The other one they hide for her. So Marthys in their body, they move on our last Friday. They move on last Friday for morning time, for that side for mortuary for Ekunu, and then they carry and go for that side for Ngwaikele, for that side where if papa they decide up for day. So now for day where the matter it happened, and then after they carry and go for that side for West Region for Bamena. Now Bamena family. So one G na Bamena man. So they don't carry sote, they don't go lower, them say berry for that side for Bamena. Papa name Napoleon 1G, na so we talk am. So na tina way it happened, we talk na say bye bye baby Marthys. But most importantly, grandma enter for the talk. Most importantly, not one show lower. The two and final say justice go take a course, and then that Dagobert man he go answer. They go put him for better ngata how he didn't gata already.